Hello everyone, welcome to Gaming Starts at 40 dan kali ini kita mau main Dead Space Remake. Kali ini horor dan gue emang suka banget sama JRPG dan game-game kebanyakan game yang gue mainin itu RPG. Tapi sesekali gue juga main horror game kayak Resident Evil, Dead Space. Ini gue juga udah namatin Dead Space sebelumnya di waktu masih di PS berapa ya? Bukan yang remake, yang pertama, yang original. Gue main Dead Space 1, 2 dan 3 juga. Dan udah lama sih gue pengen mainin Dead Space remake ini. Cuman baru kali ini aja kesampaian. Dan gue mau ajak kalian experience bareng pengalaman main game horror ini. Oke. Dan oh ya, kalau kalian lihat di sini ada continue karena sebelumnya gue udah mainin sebentar. Itu buat apa namanya? Adjusting mouse-nya, terus sama uh, coba-coba setting lah. Dan thank God kita bisa pakai setting maksimal di sini. Walaupun FPS-nya nggak tinggi-tinggi amat ya, sekitar 60-an. Tapi ya lumayan lah, itu cukup. Oke, kita langsung mulai. A new game dan difficulty as usual. Karena gue bapak-bapak bapak-bapak biasa yang tidak jago banget main game, so kita pilih medium. Kita cuma mau experience serunya bermain game, dan main game itu kan harusnya relaxing ya, nggak bikin stres. Kalau terlalu susah, gue stres. Mati mulu. Oke.
Isaac, it's me. I wish I could talk to you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about everything. I just wish I could talk to someone. It's all falling apart here. I can't believe what's happening. Strange. Such a little thing.
That's right. Nicole?
Yeah. First deferred from her in weeks.
We're 5 minutes out. You still got that thing on repeat? Guess you really miss her.
Ishimura is not a job you turn down, but 6 months apart with only vid calls? It's rough. Easy to say the wrong thing.
I don't blame you. I'd listen to my girlfriend over Hammond reciting security protocols.
Forewarned is forearmed, Miss Davis.
So you keep saying.
Here we go. Nice clean re-entry. Aegis 7.
Imagine 6 months staring at that chunk of rock.
To an independent miner, that's paradise. Aegis 7 is one of the richest finds in CEC history. Some prospecting team set up for life. Now where is she?
There. Confirming visual contact with USG Ishimura.
What a beauty. Biggest planet cracker in her class, you know. And it looks like they already popped the cork.
Why is it so dark? We should be able to see her running lights.
Yeah. I'll get us into hailing range. Someone's got to be waiting up for us.
Just be careful on the approach. I'm not taking any chances with CEC's pride and joy.
No chances, huh? Is that why you were digging into my personnel files before we left?
You track your file access?
I'm a computer analyst. Comes with the job.
I ran standard CEC background checks, Miss Daniels. If you want to work in the big leagues, you have to play ball.
Sir, we're in hailing range. USG Ishimura, this is the emergency maintenance team of the USG Kelly, responding to your distress call. Come in, Ishimura. Ishimura, do you copy? Come in. This is the USG Kelly.
communications, Black. I don't know these things.
Never. Come on. Someone pick up the damn phone.
What the hell is that?
Sounds like their communication array is busted. Maybe a broken encoder. Daniels and I can handle it in 48 hours, max.
Hey, that gives you plenty of time to catch up with Nicole.
Yeah, I hope so.
Jen, Johnston, take us in.
Gravity tethers engaged. Automated docking. Let's go.
We're losing control.
We're off course!
Guidance system override isn't responding.
Shit! Coming in too high. It's gonna smash us into the hull. Jet! Aim for that emergency stabilizer. There! The blue light! It might slow us down.
Got it.
Everyone okay?
I'm good.
I'll live. Johnston, alright?
It's my ankle. Might be broken.
Shit, but better than a broken neck. Or worse. Good call on the stabilizer, Isaac.
Gotta always read the manual.
What the fuck's going on with flight control? That guidance system's a death trap.
Better add it to your repair list. Jen, what's our damage?
Comps are down. He lost the port booster. Got a fire in one of the stabilizers and... Singularity core's in the mess. Could be worse, but not by much.
Then let's get some help. Johnston, stay with the Kellyan. We'll send a medic. Everyone else, with me.
Oke, kita udah bisa jalan-jalan. Fun fact, di Dead Space Original si Isaac ini nggak bisa ngomong. Oke.
What? You're off to buy the first round.
I wouldn't mind something with city vendors, especially on CEC stuff.
You see anyone in flight control?
No, nobody.
Isaac, guess we better go.
Ya, oke, sabar. USG Ishimura.
At least we didn't take out the sign.
It holds the record for the highest number of planet cracks, with 34 to date, and highest dead weight of refined product at 4
May as well get signed in.
kilotons and counting. Whether you'll be joining us aboard the Ishimura or strengthening the extraction workforce on the colony, Captain Messiah and...
Welcome, Isaac Clarke, to the USG Ishimura. Rig synced. Collect kinesis and stasis modules from Acting Chief Engineer Jacob Temple. Location? Error. Employee not found.
I can't reach security.
Same for the chief engineer. What is wrong with their comms?
Someone left in a hurry.
Ya, ini yang mau baca bisa kalian pause dulu.
Where's the security detail? Where's anybody?
There's nothing logged. No duty roster, no power to the elevator.
For God's sake. That security console still working. Isaac, get a damage report. I'm done playing around.
Oke, bentar. Kita cek dulu. Ada yang bisa kita ambil?
Does anyone else smell that?
Smell what?
Like something died in the air vents. Oh.
Something on the floor here. Is that?
I need that damage report.
Oh God, that smell.
What have you got, Isaac?
Shit. It's not just comms or the guidance system. Half the Ishimura's in the red. Engines, hull, the trams.
We could do that kind of damage to a planet cracker.
Okay, that is the power. Ventilation's up. Power to the elevator should be...
Hazardous anomaly detected. Quarantine activated.
Another malfunction?
No. The quarantine systems are all fine.
Oh, wait. Do you hear that?
Yeah, I hear it.
Hammond?
Take it easy. Daniel, get those elevators.
There's something new here with us.
Up there!
Oh, God! Get out of there!
He dead. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. Father. Whoa. Goks. Baru juga main. Ini kurang lebih sama sama yang original ya. Oke. Nih biasanya monster itu datangnya lewat sini nih. There you go. Dapat senjata kita yang pertama, plasma cutter. Cut off their limbs, mutilasi. Okay. Oh yeah. Oke, monster pertama kita. Mother. Mungkin kaget aja. Hate this. Whoa. Okay.
Isaac. Oh my God, Isaac. You made it.
Just... They're everywhere. Shin, is he,
He's gone. Nothing I can do. What the fuck are these things?
The ones I saw? Some of them were wearing Ishimura uniforms.
They're the crew? How the hell can they be the crew? Look at them.
We need to get to the bridge. There's 1,000 people on board. Someone will be there.
We can't. The tram system's wrecked. Everything's locked down because of the quarantine.
And you're both repair techs, so how do we do this?
There's a broken tram car blocking the tunnel. It's gridlocked the system. And the data board's burned out. I can't lift the lockdown or call the tram until we get a spare from the maintenance bay. But it's all on Isaac's side of the quarantine.
I'll handle it. Just make sure there's power to the repair systems.
And Isaac?
Yeah?
I'm sure Nicole's okay. She's a doctor, right? She'll do the smart thing.
Yeah. Yeah, she always does. Find somewhere safe. I'll be back soon.
Oke, seperti biasa kita yang ngelakuin semuanya. Teman-teman kita mah cuman tahu beresnya doang. Data board needed. Oke. Oh, ada save, lupa. Okay, save. Bentar, cek dulu. Ya, udah semua kayaknya. Oke. Ada yang ketinggalan.
Security request retrieved.
It didn't die. We shot that fucker right between the eyes and it didn't die. Smith had to shoot its fucking arms and legs off. For God's sake, send help!
Yep, nggak ada yang ketinggalan kan? Yep, nggak ada lagi. Let's go. Ini apa? Oke, dapat ammo dan credits. Gimana deh? Ya, tuh. Oh. Wala. Okay. Apa ini? Oh ya, stasis. There you go. gimana ini? Stasis. Bentar kita cek dulu control. Dat. Kinesis F, kinesis release, bukan. Stasis C, okay.
Reading a door malfunction between you and the maintenance bay. Can you fix it?
No, but I found a stasis module. If I'm faster than... I got it.
Okay, save. Ke arah sana ya. Oh. Apa tuh? Kita cek dulu di sini. Ada yang bisa kita ambil. Bathroom. Udah semua. Gokil, deg-degan. Oh
Isaac,
man.
don't bother shooting those fuckers in the head. Doesn't even slow them down.
Okay. The only way is hacking them apart. Those arms, their legs.
Does that even kill them? Or do they just stop moving?
I killed them alright.
Message retrieved.
Vents into engineering. You got a stasis module handy? We need one in tram maintenance stat. The autoloader's fried. I got a damaged tram car on the tracks, and if the whole system's gridlocked, guess who they're calling?
Temple here, sending a stasis module now. What happened to the autoloader?
No idea. A lot of shit's been breaking down. I keep hearing things. Down in the gears where no one could be. You know?
I know.
Kalau kita jelajahin dulu. Biasanya kalau kita udah ngaktifin sesuatu, monster berdatangan.
Repair systems online. Loading system reinitialized. Warning. Autoloader malfunction. Please contact a repair technician.
Okay, manually attach. Okay. Depan. Enggak. Belakang gue kosong. Mah. Baju. Oke, satu beres. Aduh, datang lagi satu. Kampret. Ini yang dekat-dekat aja. Gua takut kalau dekat. Oke, good. Ini kalau masalahnya harus di stasis. Oh man.
Any luck moving that tram car?
The autoloader's busted, but stasis should do the trick. Just gotta time it.
Great. But hurry. Okay?
Ya,
Sounds
salah.
good down here.
Oke, lagi. Kita coba lagi.
Right
Man.
loader claw disengaged.
Oke, isi dulu stasis.
Right loader claw engaged.
Oke, lanjut. Nope.
Replacing damaged tram car. Please stand by.
Nongol lagi nih. Bukan. Au. Alah. Ayo. Panik gue barusan. Ups. Ini udah belum. Oke, ada kampret.
You got it. The tram was jamming the whole system.
That's one down. You said a data board was fried too?
Inventory says there's a spare board in the maintenance bay. We can't run the trams without it.
Oke, kemana lagi kita sekarang? Gue lupa banget sebenarnya bisa pakai stasis ya. Cuman kadang kalau lagi gitu panik aja udah. Harus biasain pakai stasis nih buat memperlambat mereka kan. Oke. Wah, benar. Lah. Turun sini. Aku takutin doang. Save dulu dah. Balik lagi ke sini. What is that? Okay. Ya elah. Au. Sorry Isaac. Bisa nyembur. Ini apa? Security level 1. Oke. Bentar. Hey. Oh, oke, kesana sekarang. Find the data board. Pakai help dulu. Ya siap aja deh ini sih. Biasanya kalau yang gini dia pura-pura mati nih, kan? Enggak? Au. Kurang ajar lu. Oke, bentar. Oh ya, kita ganti dulu. Sini dulu. Wih, lagi ngapain lu? Lari lagi. Oh. Takutin dong. Oke. Ini cuma takutin dong ya. Lah. Itu maksudnya. Oke, save space biasanya. Elah, tadi lagi nih sih. Oke. Bentar. Mam. Lah, di belakang gua ada. Elah. Oke, yang nyebelin tuh kalau mereka tiba-tiba ada di belakang ya. Nih dia ada di sini nih. Ini ada alasannya nih kenapa mereka ada di sini, karena nanti bakal ada yang nongol dari sini. Mother father. Yalah. Woi. Nggak ada apa-apa itu. Oh ini. Oke. Oke. Ini apa? Medpack. Udah semua. Oke, kita perlu masuk ke dalam situ kayaknya. Serem. Oke. Bolong lagi di sini. Nah. Oh, reload. Nggak hidup deh. Nah, ini nih. Bener nggak? Mati lu. Oke. Bentar. Ya, sini nggak ada. Oke. Nah, ini pasti mereka pada berdatangan nih. Yes, Ishimura Aerospace Engineering Department, Sharawa Repair. Oke. Di sana ada vent di sini. Oke, kemungkinan nongol dari sana. Ah, elah, bener kan? Ah, elah. Oke. Oh, mamam. Mati lo. Oh, apa ini? Stasis habis lagi. Oke, dan cuma 2 untungnya. Oke. Kita ke mana lagi? Ups, salah. Nongol lagi nih pasti nih, gue yakin. Belakang gue. Enaknya. Aduh. Bener kan? Shit.
Isaac, we can't stay here much longer. Hearing a lot of movement.
Hold on. I got the data board. I'm coming back to tram control now.
Daniel, get ready to go.
Okay, Poker Knight keeping this off, regulating in case Benson's listening in. You in for Poker Knight. But no one wants to hear about anyone's fucking nightmares, especially that one where... Okay. Kejadiannya udah lama ya. Okay, upgrade bench. Okay, cool. Ini penting banget. Capacity ya. Damage yang penting. Terus ke suit sekarang. Ini apa, health? Oksigen. Oke. Oh man. Aman kayaknya. Hey, lagi ngapain bro? Tiduran? Gak bisa lo pura-pura. Mama nih pura-pura. Tuh, handphone gua lowbat. Oke, bentar guys. Kita save dulu. Oke, gua ngecas dulu sebentar. Oke, let's continue. Oke, satu doang kan? Ada lagi? Cool. Kemana ini? Data board. Oh, sini kan.
Data board reinstalled. System restart complete.
Okay, call the tram.
Maintenance complete. Calling tram.
It's clear!
Now arriving at flight deck tram control.
Enak banget tuh. Hasil kerja keras gue itu.
We're on board. Something hit the roof, but it seems operational.
Quarantine lockdown was lifted, so you can get to the hangar. Comms are still down though, so be ready for anything.
What's the plan?
You and Johnston fix up the Kellion. We report to the bridge. Standard emergency protocol.
What? Protocol? Hammond, people are dying here.
And I'm not losing anyone else. We stick to procedure. We'll get through this.
We'll see.
We'll see katanya. Balik lagi ke kapal kita ya. Pesawat kapal Sunda banget kan. Sial. Oke. Oh, ini kita balik lagi ya. Ya, of course, balik lagi. Ke tempat pertama kali kita datang. Isaac, suitnya bagus banget. Nanti kita bisa upgrade kan? Holy moly. Oke. Woi. Baru dia loncat lagi. Oke, sorry guys, headphone, kenapa jadi headphone mati. Oke.
Isaac, we made it to the bridge. There's no survivors. Daniels is trying to get into the command computer.
Bisa aku ambil kah? Kayaknya udah gue cek semuanya. There you go. Ada yang kelewat kita di sini? Tidak ada. Yeah, sorry. We got an item.
Is that blood?
Haley, I need you to listen. The Ishimura's overrun with... they're fucking monsters. You didn't hear anything?
What? No, the comms are still out. Isaac...
We need the Killian fixed now. Got a damage report?
Yeah, it's there. Should have been with you.
The Singularity Core.
What's happening down there?
Johnson's gone. Kelly and two. The Singularity Core overloaded.
No!
Kellyanne was our only way home. We're trapped.
No! I'm not losing two good people for nothing. What about the command computer?
It's a brick. All the primary systems are locked down with the captain's codes.
So we find Captain Matthias, track his rig.
Okay. Okay, here. Captain Benjamin Matthias. Location medical. Status deceased?
Even the captain? God.
Isaac, you're closer to medical. You can double back and cut through maintenance. Find the captain's body and get his rig. With his codes, we... What was that? Chen?
Okay, Hammond, run!
Shit.
Si Chen juga udah berubah jadi monster. Oops. Okay, medical deck. Nongol lagi nih. Oke. Nyala lampunya. Good, good. Okay. Oh. Oke, gue pikir bakal ada yang nongol tadi. There you go, store. Kita bisa upgrade. Suitnya atau rig namanya di sini ya. Oh man, they're all dead. Mati semua. Oke, ini apa? Scan rig to unlock workstation. Oke. Let's go. The store items can be purchased with credits. Bring schematics to the store to gain access to new items. Okay. Inventory. Sell currently held items. Okay. Storage. Storage. Solar. Okay. Oke. Baru mau mikir dulu nih. Oke, kita beli ini deh. Armor. Tambah inventory. Jadi nambah plate-nya. Oke, saya beli nih. Cukup. Oke, udah semua. Save dulu. Oke, lanjut guys. Oh ya, tadi gua bench upgrade si senjata biar bisa dapat damage lagi. Bentar. Oke. Oke. Ada apa di sini? Aim, hold F. Oke. Aim, di hold terus pakai F. Oke. Oh. Oh, salah gue. Gitu. nggak ada apa-apa. Yep, nggak ada yang bercahaya. Sepi bener. Oke, good. Biasanya kalau sepi gini tiba-tiba ada yang ngagetin. Nggak ada? Oke, aman.
God, hold the line. They all came back.
Senjata baru. Ada proximity mine. Oke. Bentar. Kita save dulu.
Station now accessible. Thank you for your patience.
Oke. Tapi sekarang kita ke sini dulu. Oke, siap-siap.
Isaac, have you heard from Daniels? We were attacked. She ran the other way.
No, nothing. Medical's a slaughterhouse. They barricaded access to the morgue.
The morgue?
Yeah. But the barricade was put together in a hurry. A hydrazine tank might blow it open. Just need a detonator, like maybe a shock pad. Nicole could be through there if...
Isaac. The one who attacked us. I swear to God it was Chen. But... I saw him die.
Security clearance required.
If they barricaded the morgue, maybe it was to keep something in.
Yep. Save lagi. Store ini ada apa sih? Oh, ada yang tadi. Oke. Nope, nanti dulu deh. Kayaknya panjang perjalanannya situ. Wow. Ada vent. Oke, makan. Baru gue bilang ini. Cool. Machine gun. Ini apa? Oh iya, gue ingat ini. Circuit breaker, yep. Sini. Oh, oke, ini dulu deh. Habis. Peluru habis. Bench. Nggak punya notes. There you go. Level 2 lagi. Sekarang atau nanti ya? Boleh deh sekarang. Oh ada dua deh, gua notes. Plasma cutter. Oh udah semua. Suit. Oke. Kaget gue. Oh ya, sini geser. Apa ini? Diagnosis are stacking up as fast as I can. Follow them. Sleep paralysis, hallucination, nightmares, paranoia. Ya. Laporan dokter ya. Jadi sebelum berubah jadi monster, mental mereka tuh terganggu, kayak ada halusinasi, mimpi buruk, and stuffs. Nah, nanti iya, nanti juga diceritain sih penyebabnya mereka berubah jadi monster apaan.
Entering zero gravity. Exiting vacuum.
Okay, good. Oh, shoot, apa lagi? Oke, kita terbang. Oke, move, look, I suppose reset orientation.
gravity.
Oh, oh, pulse round.
Still holding this position. What's happening there? Did you find Nicole?
No sign of her yet. But I found some hydrazine that should work on the barricade. I just need to find a shock pad.
Okay. Work fast, Isaac.
Entering zero gravity.
Okay. Ya, benar sini.
What the hell? It shut the whole ship. I'll check it out.
Entering vacuum.
Oh no. Wait.
Exiting vacuum. Entering vacuum.
Oke. Iya benar terbang. Oke. Oke. Kita isi lagi oksigen.
Exiting vacuum.
Waduh. Ya benar sini.
God. Took one step out of the captain's nest and Chen, that thing, he almost got me.
You okay?
I trapped him in a damaged escape pod. He's snarling like, this is fucked up. Hurry, Isaac.
Exiting zero gravity.
Aduh. Kaget. Ini kemana nih? Oh, oke. Balik lagi. Pulse now. Nggak perlu. It's okay. Kita harus hemat-hemat. Sini ya. Oh, save dulu. Kanan kiri nih. Let's go. Oke. Oke, ini ya.
Hazardous anomaly detected. Quarantine activated.
Pew. Nice. Langsung mati. Kaget gue bro, kaget. Oke, bentar. Kita muter-muter dulu. Yep, udah nggak ada lagi. Kita bisa turun. Benar ke sini. Yep. Waduh. Kaget. Bisa ada lagi. Oh.
Quarantine lifted.
Oke, aman. Oh, ini padahal nggak ngelihat. I see. Ini bisa diambil. Bench. Anjir gue deh. Sini.
Nicole? It's me.
Patient log, Dr. N. Brennan. Nicole Brennan. Your judgmental, talk to you again. He knows me and my girlfriend are gonna leave, I can feel it. Our last seminar was all about heretics. Jendo. Yep. Nah, di situ.
Personal log, Dr. Nicole Brennan. With medication and zero-G therapy, patient Harris is showing improvement. If this continues, there might be hope for the others on Aegis 7. However, Dr. Mercer continues to interfere. He claims Harris's delusions are religiously significant. If I have to make a complaint, I will. I'm not losing my patient over unitology bullshit. Not again.
Tracking rig signal. Dr. Nicole Brennan. Rig location? Inconclusive. Manual rig tracking is available.
Yep. Iya, jadi di sini mulai kelihatan kalau awal mulanya tuh dari kayak semacam sekte gitu, church di dalam pesawat ini atau di dalam spaceship ini. Nanti bakal lebih dijelasin lagi ke depannya. I cannot tell you that. Let's avoid spoilers.
Surgical log. Dr. Charis Mercer. Copy to my secure terminal. I convinced Jurgens to show me the video feed from the hospital. It's remarkable to finally see what I've sought all my life. The miners, this transformation, the divide death itself. Kyan is erring on the side of caution. His faith has been shaken by these necromorphs, as he calls them. How strange. When my own faith has been so richly rewarded. the without kind. I must study one of these creatures. Or the next best thing. Brennan's patient, for example.
Then what in God's name is happening down there? Precisely that. God's work. How can you say that? These deaths at the colony. The paranoia, the hallucinations. You wanted a scientific analysis? Cause and effect? Well, it all began after they raised the marker. What are you so worried about? The marker is divine. We know this. Look, it'll be on board tomorrow. You can study it then. Put your mind at ease. At ease? People are dying. How can that be the transformation the teachings promise? We're witnessing a new beginning. Terrence, for unitology, for humanity, of course our faith is being tested. Everything is about to change. That's what worries me. And recording. Seal entry.
Yep, udah mulai jelas. Jadi si sekte dari church ini namanya Unitology, dan mereka asal mulanya nih yang bikin semua orang berubah jadi monster di sini. Salah satu anggota Unitology-nya itu ya kapten kapal ini sama apa tadi, Dr. Mercer. Okay, so that the artifact appears to be a genuine marker, the first to be found since Unitology's founding. We must get it on board at the first opportunity so I can begin a proper study. So, jadi mereka tuh kayak nemuin sebuah artifact gitu. Nah, mereka bawa itu ke USS Yoshimura ini, dan sejak adanya si artifact itu, kejadian-kejadian aneh ini mulai. Oke, sini udah semua. Kita lanjutin. Ups, salah jalan. Oke, dan kayaknya video kali ini cukup sampai sini aja, guys. Makasih udah nonton. Dan next part kita mau nemuin salah satu rig dengan level yang lebih tinggi, jadi kita bisa akses pintu-pintu dengan level 2. So ya, makasih yang udah nonton, and as usual, kalau kalian suka dengan video ini, jangan lupa buat like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya!